Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant error code 57, Vanguard is not initialized. So what you need to do first is go ahead on the search bar, write down CMD, command prompt, right click on it, run it as administrator, click yes. After that you will see here and you will need to enter a few commands. So the first one would be scdelete VGC and another one would be scdelete VGK. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and click exit, and then you want to open up your file explorer, go to local disk C, program files, and then you want to find Riot Vanguard and you want to delete it. If you see this message, you need to completely close Riot Vanguard. You can do this by doing it on the right side right there on your PC. That's how it will look like, as you can see. And just click exit Vanguard. Then once you will try again, your folder will be deleted. You want to go ahead and open up Riot Client Services. You may need to log into your account, and after that click on Valorant. And right there you will see install Vanguard, click update, and now it will completely install Vanguard again. Once it will install it, you will see this message pop up that you need to restart your PC in order for this to be fixed. So now once you will restart your PC, your problem should be fixed. If not, then you want to go on search, write down services, open it, click anywhere and press V on your keyboard. And you will see VGC and you will see that it's manual. So then you want to double click on it. Startup type, you want to choose automatic, and the service status should be running, so you just want to go ahead and press start. After it will load up, you want to click apply and OK. And your problem will be fixed. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.